issued a tornado warning for northwestern Walworth County and southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Darien, or near Delavan, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Abel's Corners, Tibbetts and Millard. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.